Hey, what's up guys? Good morning, good afternoon. This is your boy Lewis back at you with another video. This part number, just in case if you guys have the same issue, hopefully you guys can see there. It's 521001628E, and you could read there is a tube fuel vapor line for the 98 to 2001 Jeep Cherokees. So like I said, let's go ahead and tackle this right now. Alright guys, so the next thing that I am going to do is go ahead and jack up the Jeep. I'm going to go ahead and pretty much secure it with the jack stand. And then obviously remove the 5 lug nuts and get underneath the Jeep and see what I can do. Tell me, what's your favorite impact gun and why? There you go, little persuasion. Should be right out. Alright guys, now looking a little further here, a little more of an inspection that I'm doing, is look at these bushings, man. They're horrible. This one is cracked, dry rotted. Definitely gonna purchase, I think it's 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, so a total of 4 in the back and a total of 2 in the front. And I'm definitely gonna go ahead and buy the sway bar links as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and go underneath the Jeep and try to locate that fuel vapor tube that we're looking for. Alright guys, so not sure if you guys can see it, but this would be vapor can, I believe. And then right here, this one, that's the fuel vapor tube. As you can see, let me try to get a better better angle. Look how nasty that looks. Now you can see why. I got that check engine light. Alright, as you guys can see, all I'm pretty much doing here basically is just getting one of these little picks, angle picks, and just yanking back on that old corroded rubber piece. As you can see, didn't take long, but it popped out. This nipple is still good, you know, thank God. I think it's like made out of hard plastic if I'm not mistaken. But pretty much got that side out, and then on to the next side, which is pretty much right there. Alright, so we back here on the back end, and as you can see, here is the other end of that line, and I really hope that I am able to get that out. Alright guys, pretty much what I did off camera, as you can see, I have it out, and yeah, over here is the rubber part. I actually sprayed it with a little bit of PB Blaster, just a tad bit, just to lube up the surface here. And then I grabbed one of these angle picks and gently lifted up the rubber piece where it connected to the metal and stuck it in there and twisted it around, right, like so. So now all I have to do is pretty much remove now the whole thing. I think is I already removed it from the clip here. I removed it from the other side. I don't know if there's any other clips holding it, but pretty much just remove it and put the new one. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. It's already installed. As you can see, the new line installed on both ends. Pretty, took me like maybe 20-30 minutes. But hopefully the check engine light is going. I guess I'll shoot another video inside of the cabin once I do turn the Jeep on and see if I get another check engine light or not. Alright guys, back in the Jeep here. Close the door real quick. Let's see if this actually corrected the issue and got rid of the check engine light. Oh, there you go, there you have it. That was definitely the issue there. Thank you guys for watching. Please, like, subscribe, leave some comments below. Tell me what you think, what you want to see. All right, again, thank you. Have a good day, guys.